Buy on DHgate with PayPal. In today's video, you are going to learn how to buy on DHgate with PayPal. So let's get started. First, you have to visit DHgate, go to the DHgate website and browse for the product you want to purchase. In step number 2, select the product. Once you find the product you wish to buy, click on it to view the details and check the seller's information. Step number 3, check payment option. Look for the accepted payment methods. If PayPal is accepted, you will likely to see it mentioned during the checkout process. This information is usually displayed on the product page or in the checkout section. Step number 4, proceed to checkout. If PayPal is an accepted payment method, proceed to checkout by clicking the Buy Now or Add to Cart button. In step number 5, log in or create an account. You will need to either log in to your DHgate account or create one if you do not have an account. Now provide the necessary shipping information including your address. After entering these details, choose PayPal as your payment method. During the payment step, select PayPal as your preferred payment method if it is available. Now you will be redirected to PayPal's website to log in and complete the payment. Follow the prompts on the PayPal website to finish the transaction. Once the payment is successful, you should receive a confirmation from both DHgate and PayPal. That's all. That's how you will be able to buy on DHgate with PayPal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.